Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your carrier allows voice and data at the same time. This is the key restriction. Once done, enable mobile data and, if offered, Wi-Fi calling in settings right arrow connections, right arrow Wi-Fi calling. While on a call, pull down quick settings and check mobile data is active. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking notifications. Then, open the app you need to use online while staying connected to the ongoing call. This sets up simultaneous data access immediately. Next, use VO LTE to keep LTE data working during calls. Enable it in settings right arrow connections, right arrow mobile networks, right arrow VO LTE calls. Once enabled, the phone uses LTE for voice, so your internet apps stay active. If you prefer Wi-Fi, make sure Wi-Fi remains connected and Wi-Fi calling is on so the call stays routed over Wi-Fi while you browse. When switching networks mid-call, move slowly. Change settings, wait a few seconds, and verify the call. To finish, end the call and confirm your mobile data session continues or restarts. If data won't reconnect, toggle mobile data off and on. If the call audio drops when using apps, switch VO LTE off or enable Wi-Fi calling to isolate the problem. Once done, update your carrier settings and phone software. This often fixes compatibility glitches. If nothing works, reboot the phone as a last resort. Reboots clear temporary network stacks and typically restore simultaneous call and internet behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.